Say you have a bunch of lights you want to control from a single switch, but you don't want to replace all these with smart bulbs, nor do you want to change the switch to a smart switch that you have to wire in. So let me show you another way to do this. You can install these two little pegs here, and with this motorized switch, you snap it on, and then you have local control, of course, which is nice, but without dimming. Or you can use your smartphone to do it. The switch that I picked uses Bluetooth to an Amazon Echo device. There are others that use Zigbee, but I like this because it's very simple. Just set it to pair and say discover. And so that's it. You both have local control and automation. You don't have to wire in a switch. You don't have to replace a bunch of smart bulbs.